Look, Ma, no hands. Hello, David here, and the project for today is changing the oil on a 2018 Toyota RAV4. I'm not doing the oil change video because I already done that, but I'm going to show you a little trick that I just found out. You know, when you try to fill the oil, there's no room for a spout to go in there, and it doesn't go very deep at all. Well, I discovered some of these oil cans will screw into the threading on the valve cover. You can make your own funnel. Cut off the bottom of the bottle. Very clean. Thanks for watching. Bye now.